American 1823, Contact departure, have a good day.
Departure 1823.
Tower American 1823, we had to exercise a precautionary shutdown of the number 2 engine. We need vectors back to the airport and a little bit of time to work the problem.
American 1823, Phoenix approach, radar contact. Do you need to land on Westlaw? Am I able to vector you to the southwest?
Roger that.
5,000, I'll have it turn north here shortly.
I maintain 5,000, American 1823. You know, let's make that, the winds are favoring runway 8, let's do runway 8.
American 1823, information uniform is current at Phoenix. Expect a visual approach to runway 8.
Visual approach runway 8, American 1823.
In 1823, are you able to climb?
We're slowly climbing with the heat.
23, turn left, heading up 340, vectors runway 8.
Left heading 340, American 1823.
American 1823, low altitude alert.
Alright, we're trying to climb here.
American 1823, fly heading 260.
Heading 260, American 1823.
American 1823, when you have a moment, souls on board and fuel remaining.
Alright, call you right back.
American 1823, amend altitude, maintain 4,000.
4,000, American 1823, and we are 201 souls on board, 37.1 on the fuel.
American 1823, roger, contact approach on 126.6.
266, American 1823. Approach American 1823 with you, 4,000.
American 1823, Phoenix approach, roger, fly heading 250.
Heading 250, American 1823. And approach for American 1823. Can we extend downwind a little bit?
American 1823, no problem. Just let me know when you're ready to turn base.
Will do, thank you.
American 1823, how far out on the downwind did you think you wanted to go?
We just need a couple of minutes. We're trying to coordinate everything and run the checklist.
No problem.
And American 1823. We're going to go ahead right now and declare an emergency for overweight landing, and we're ready to turn back in when you have a chance, sir.
American 1823, turn left heading 170.
Left turn 170 for American 1823.
American 1823, turn left heading 110. Sky Harbor will be 10 o'clock and 17 miles.
Heading 110, we'll call you back. 1823. Airport site for American 1823.
American 1823, fly heading 110, cleared visual approach, runway 8.
110, clear visual approach, runway 8, American 1823.
American 1823, there will be traffic joining the south final. They're going to join above you, and they have you in sight.
Roger that, 1823.
American 1823, there's no, on runway 8, there's no traffic ahead or behind. You can do whatever you need. Contact tower 134.85.
3485, I have that traffic in sight. Thanks for your help. American 1823. And Tower American 1823's visual runway 8.
American 1823, Phoenix Tower, runway 8, clear to land. Winds are 130 at 9. Fire command is on frequency with transmit and receiving capabilities.
Roger that. Runway 8, clear to land for American 1823.
Fire command, Phoenix Tower, next aircraft to land is alert aircraft. They're on a 7-mile final.
Next aircraft to land. Yes, next aircraft to land, 7-mile final. Fire command.
And for fire rescue for 1823, just be prepared. We're going to be at overweight landing. Our brakes may be hot, and we had an overheat on the right-hand engine, engine 2.
Fire command copies overheat on right engine number 2. And you think your brake might be a little warm when you land. Do you have number 2 shut down, sir?
Yes, we do, sir.
Fire command, copy that. Number 2 engine is shut down. American 1823 Fire Command. Sir, can you tell us what your temperatures are showing in the cockpit there?
Right now for the brakes, they're 280 and creeping.
280 and creeping. Is that Fahrenheit, sir?
Celsius. Right now we're showing 340 on the left side.
Copy, 340 on the left side.
American 1823, you can taxi via Bravo and hold at your discretion. Say intention.
Yeah, we're going to stop on Bravo here for a second, and then we'll let you know. We're supposed to be going to Alpha 24. Copy.
American 1823 Fire Command. Sir, how are your numbers looking right now?
Yeah, fire from American 1823. Can you come take a look? We're at approaching 600 Celsius on the engine one side.
Be advised, we're en route, sir. Come take a look at your plane. Fire Command.
Yeah, Fire Command, left side, 715 Celsius right now.
American 1823, can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, right now the left side brakes, captain side is 725 on the inboard, and all the other brakes are over 560 Celsius.
Copy that, over 700 on the inboard, over 500 Celsius on the rest. Fire Command. American 1823 Fire Command, be advised, sir, everything is looking great on the visual here from the exterior. We're not seeing any smoke or anything, so our question is if you'd like to go ahead and continue in the gate, Bravo 24, and we'll come set some fans on your plane once you get in there.
That sounds like a great idea for American 1823.
All right, sounds good. I'm going to hand you back to the tower for routing to your gate, and we'll meet you over there and put some fans on your brake.
Yeah, we're Alpha 24, sir.
Fire Command copies Alpha 24.
All right, switching to ground.
Copy, switching to ground.